I've just created these images in seconds using AI. Now, do you want to learn how to make images like this and others just like it, using pictures of yourself or other celebrities? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it. What you want to do is go to photor.com, sign up for an account and use the AI image generator. Once you are on the AI image generator, you can either choose to generate an image from text, or you can upload your own image. So if you want to use a picture of yourself, that is where you'll be able to do that by uploading your own image. But first of all, let's have a look at the from text option. So what you want to do is type in a prompt and then select the model version. And then down below, you can select the style. So we have all of these different styles that we could generate for our image. Now, as you can see, these first images I created used this first option here, but we can change that and try something different. So we have angry Michael Jordan doing a dunk, smashing the backboard. Let's have that as pixel art and then click generate. And at the bottom, you can also select the amount of images it will generate, and it uses 1 credit per image. So at the moment, this is using 2 credits as I'm generating 2 images. This only takes a few seconds. As you can see, the first one is done and there's the second. And this actually looks pretty cool. I really like this. So now let's try something different. Let's have Kevin Hart laughing at a fat pig. So then we have the model version. Of course, M2 is going to be better. The aspect ratio, so you can have any type of image. And then we have the styles down here. For this, I think what I'm going to do is use anime. And then I'll generate 2 images again. So let's click generate. And within about 10 to 15 seconds, our 2 images will be created. We'll have an anime image of Kevin Hart laughing at a fat pig. And there we go. So I think, okay, this is interesting. I think the second one is probably better, but it's quite interesting. I'm not sure who the second person is here, but they seem to have his face. Let's try doing this with no style to make it look realistic. And I'm just going to generate 1 image because I don't want to use all of my credits. This should only take a few seconds. It shouldn't take too long. And then in order to have a look at all of your previously created images, simply click onto the arrow on the right over here, and it will open them all in the side for you to look at. Okay, that actually does look like Kevin Hart, to be fair. The pig looks interesting. It's quite an interesting picture in a whole, to be honest. But yeah, that's what you get with AI. Quite interesting, funny pictures and images that are generated. Now you can also upload your own image and do it this way, and then change the image to be in a different style. So if you wanted to create a profile picture using a different style, you can upload the picture of yourself and then choose the style that you want to use. There's loads of styles here. But for now, I'm just going to do one last one from text. And I think what I'll do is Neymar playing tennis on a beach. So first of all, let's try this as the generic style. And let's see what that can create. And then afterwards, I will use, I think, the neon punk or digital art option. Let's have a look what this generates on its own at first, and then afterwards we can see. Okay, that does look somewhat like him, but the hands aren't too good. Doesn't look too great. So now let's try this as a neon punk and see what this manages to do. This will probably look better because it's going to be a completely different style. And once again, this will just take a few seconds and then we'll see what it has created. Oh, I forgot I still had him playing tennis, but this actually looks pretty cool. But yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. All of the pictures that we've generated are quite cool. In fact, I'll try one more. I'll have Neymar running away from Messi and Ronaldo. I'm going to try this as a normal picture first, and then afterwards I will try it as digital art. So let's see what this creates, and this will be the last one, but I think this has been quite fun. And I will leave the link to this tool in the description down below so that you can try this as well. Okay, so he's only running away from Messi, but doesn't matter. It is what it is. That's pretty cool. Now let's try this as digital art. That looks pretty interesting. The faces aren't too accurate, but this is digital art, not an actual picture. So there we go. That is how you can use AI to create cool characters and edit your own pictures as well. Don't forget you can use the from image option. And there we go. So yeah, that is photor.com. You can find it with the link in the description, and you can use this yourself to try it out for whatever you want to use it for. You can then go ahead and download your images by clicking the download button at the top right, and you can edit them using the editor just like this. Simply select whatever you want to edit, and that will be that. So there we go. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks and goodbye.